So even though it took more than 3 months because of this COVID situation, we didn't have to renew the exclusive arrangement with Matthew because they are already exclusive in our mind. When we see and when we interact already few times, we got very much confidence on them and we trust them so much because they are not looking for a business and just selling the house and making profit kind of thing. We felt that they always look beyond the business. We were thinking of selling our house, but we were in a bit dilemma because we liked our old house also. That time I happened to see some advertisement in Facebook. Actually the advertisement seems to be more relevant to our situation, and so they just mentioned for a non-obligatory discussion. Then when we met Matthew and when he explained the things, we got a feeling that he's a very reliable person. We could sense that he never enforced any of his decision to us.
He is more sincere. Whatever he suggests also sincere.
Because the house is a leased property, so he explained us when it gets older and older, maybe there could be depreciation. So if we don't take decision, then it may be too late. So if we take decision now, we thought that it is good for us, it will help us financially also. So he gave us more insight about the financial situation, what we will get benefit if we sell now or later. Then Matthew came in along with Delon. So they helped us the house a little bit modifications or something, whatever really necessary. So then Dylan helped us to do a video shoot of our house, and then they advertised. Yeah, the response is very good because the same old house which we are staying for so many years, it looked really new to us because they arranged like that. He's very prompt throughout this journey. He was never late or anything. In case if some viewing rearranged also, he always confirm with the viewers and tell us in advance. So both of them are very good in that way. We never faced any difficulty of, so they always check our comfortable timing before they arrange the viewing, and also they try to arrange viewings together as much as possible.
I really liked it when every morning during the weekend we used to wake up and Matthew uncle would be waiting for us. He kept on telling us the advantages and disadvantages, and one time my sister and I really liked the condo, but Matthew uncle told us all the benefits and which are not the benefits, and that helped my parents decide whether to buy that condo or not.
This journey is very good. Our experience with Matthew and Dylan, they are very much reliable and trustworthy. They will be our partners and helping us in this asset progression journey.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
I'm Dylan.
We've helped our clients safely execute their property plan that is sustainable for the future.
We understand that when it comes to their property portfolio, there are many concerns. For example, should they go for rental yield, capital gains? What exactly is the best for them?
Do you want to explore your option in regards to property? Do contact us for a discussion. And once again, I'm Matthew.
I'm Dylan.
We'll see you soon.